2018 Acura TLX SH all-wheel drive with the Advance Pack. Hi everyone, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. These are far and few in these parts. At the time of this video, we have the only one within 500 miles of our location here in Dickinson, North Dakota. When I saw it, I had to have it. Black, you can see that, has a brown interior, all-wheel drive, 3.5 liter V6. It's been inspected. It has a balance of warranty on it. Look at that awesome brown interior. Has the Advance Pack on it, GPS, heated seats front and rear, remote start, has the adaptive cruise, has the front camera, has all the safety features on there. It's a Honda after all, underneath its skin. If you're not aware, Acura is to Honda what Cadillac is to Chevrolet. Carfax does show some vandalism, but that's been repaired. We sold it previously to this. She traded it back in with us. Beautiful car. Tires are brand new. Oil's just been changed. It is 100% ready to go. It's been inspected. We're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. So come and see us, Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, or AutoramaAuto.com.